Mohineba Kisi. Yeah. Yeah, this shot in here. I could come on. And a second one. I'm name it the Papa. Tunka Nami wo. Charlie. So my Tunka. This one is number one. Number one. Also from Ohineba Kisinti. 3 in a row. Yeah, Ohineba Kisi area. And we're going to move on to the next artist. But before we do that, my main come for Imboost Herbal Mixture amount. Imboost Herbal Mixture, aka Police Dinedruno. About your way, any or number one immune booster. Yeah, so when you be now no more. Or menstrual disorders and our problems and in Nabeko. Or liver and our kidney and one band someone in Nabeko. Wakumaya now Coco so near man who you are be able to din. I feel ya now with the in your ya wapos sisi or spiny in your yasa. Now say Bema why am re e won 9 tem ho 2 years she ye ina bit me akoye kama pa dia mam I feel what diabetes e how adwen na e bia out there no pressure yi ye tete nkrofo yi adwen pa obu ane we de ni ba bia tititi wuti ne kura want ya say part of the body the patcho nom Imboost Herbal Mixture Police Nedro no ebe solve problems we na dia ma infections how do nyina so treating na the patcho you don't need to get sick and someone nom sa adre. What I say, oh, you're so now I hospital now on the moon, so ultimately wrong we found. Because we know some medical catch on immune booster. To know be a bebo apa. Danny then you know not born by now or no. At me agent year. They are available. Our pharmacy shops out in the and herbal shops in them throughout the country. But our pedal park, Kings Walk or Kanshi Drag Lane. One cry ha. And I feel an abwache about Swatema and Accra. Hillside Pharmacy on Coco. And I'll pay more Ecus Pharmacy was Shaman Swap. Do Dona Ewo. And yes, I dear phrase 0243 115 948. And I'll phrase 0246 208 496. Na ya bon komo. If you do be on here, be as well. You make sure say on sa a bit me account. You know what I'm saying? Na ya twaso na yakọ ye nimu no ena nei make kanfo e de amount say MTN 4 pause and chill say wa when you try that MTN pause and chill is back again with the bang and even brighter. Yes, everyone needs a holiday once in a while. Imagine chilling on a beach. Not just say some, martini, ATV riding. Also, ATV, no, yeah. Sa all-terrain vehicle, sa motor 994 ni bina, the fafa. A puano ne desert, so near the other, baby. No all-terrain, baby, it's me fa. Be pumna near the other, boom, baby. Oh, now, what in the desert, so near the other. And I cry, no. Skydiving, yay. Oh, they're Michi. Just say, say, could Dubai, more could Dubai pen, there's a damn boss way. And there you for chill, you for do all these things before you come. What I say, and Nuina MTN, and Mama Queen. What I say, there's an experience worth loving and as a living for. Wow, when you bet you home, I'll bet Drosso bit me here. So we can do all these for free, with the MTN Pulse and Chill promo. So just keep talking and browsing with your Pulse mashup bundles. And what's me, we need an all-expense paid trip to Dubai from now to the 30th of November 2019. So just dial *567# to mash up today and build points. You can also win Boss headsets, 4G devices, mobile money, KFC vouchers, shopping vouchers, and I feel extra incredible rewards every month. So send check to 567 or use the MTN Pulse app to check your points today. MTN Pulse. Just be. Terms and conditions apply. We did for you everywhere you go. So yeah, but trust me, I call your next artist. Nah, Yeah, they are also there at Waso. But before that, there's some more tweets here. They want here on Instagram. They are some way. All the end there. Those who do that. Kofi Odo. I see you have reactivate my love this afternoon. Yeah, Odo there, Joe. I'll say, can you play me Oba by Samini to my lovely queen who has not yet accepted my proposal? Hey, and now, story your lovely queen. So, her name is Eunice, yeah, Asamoah. I love her, die. Joey B, you are. And then, Badita, Ruthless. I'll say, Jerry, love go kill you. Listening to you live inside Senchi, near the Royal Senchi. Jerry and Flavor from their kitchen is killing me, but Nana Akuya Spunky. I'll say listening to you live from Bipon at Just Brought Filling Station. Keep listening. Seto, and also I'll say it is raining here and I'm very, very sukum. Anyway, in my bed listening. Nice one there. I see you on Coco Dubai. Hazard Jr., I'll say best love teacher in the system. Please play me Hope by Sako there for my sweet mom, Yellow Sisi, and wish her well as well. Yeah, trust me, anymore. Michael ASUFI. I said, Brother, you be too much for Radio Top. I did feel you pass. My greetings to Agnes Adlin, Dua of Ghana Immigration Service. I want to tell her I miss her so much. Oh yeah, I know why. Nah, send me messages, but unfortunately, those messages I'm not reading them. They know themselves. Yeah. One is coming from my own sister. Joyce, me kind. So tell your okay, oh yeah. Catch it, Mrs. Alberto Damise. O message now I send you D can send it and me kind why. Yeah. Okay, so the next artist. They my trainer now. Your friend of Charles Kojo Fosu, Emma Kojo, aka Daddy Lumba, aka DL. Because this one 111666. Yeah, need minimum say 666 one. You do an one XES. Maybe I mean you. The minimum say no 111666. But minimum say SEX. And now okay. You from me, I know you. I didn't so don't ever. I don't ever. Me don't go down. Me don't know. No me too, you wanna hear. No me show no more see. My big soldier, how damn strong. Me don't know. It is easy so.
Where you from Queen Mefro was a himai Nyami Baba for yo. Meshawan come here then yo. Uncle Yazia to me yo. Uncle Nisia from yo. Uncle my road. Uncle my road. And come with me at yo. I'm on for so hot down. Celebrating now. Celebrating now. How me do you? Me is your novel. Me TV and your bro. Or don't you? Celebrating now. You na me presa.
Special greetings and comma. Edidina Ventures. Na nyame ehira omo pa. Omo awo entafo miensa mua. Na omu now so boys. 3 strong boys pa. Ene na boys in now omu edi 2 years. Yes. Triplets. Omu ya guys. Omu now shinta dey the same pa. Unu omu team say yeah. Of omu nya. Okay, so a happy birthday going out to Jeffrey Osei Tutu and then Jerome Osei Tutu and Jeron Osei Tutu. Happy 2nd anniversary to all of you. Omoko School, our Little Dreams, war Pillar 2. And the message here says, yeah, we love them and wish them God's guidance and blessings as well. Nice one. Okay, so a belated happy birthday. Enko Emma Mary Donko. I sing Amwabing or an hour, and this one is coming from Nana in Quantabisa. Na Oko School, our Apam Senior High School. Yes. So happy birthday going out to you. 21 or Dallas. Also, it's holiday again, and I want you to play King Promise and then Kojo Entry song. But they are candidate. Kofi Same Asiedu for the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1. Andra and on in a wife. Nyame adomwom babema fefefe kama omo tu ni din enunti omo se adofo a mufie chichichi ne benchen mu nyina baaye ebe time mu achi mu a omo eto omo ba bema Melvin Prince Kofi Akotua Asiedu ni din enra no nyame hira mu nyina de mo hwere omo hu bia nyame hye mo anamu kama Mompai boni ba mo ba ebe time mu achi no aso mo ani yi pa enunti omo dam ase e wo kwan sonko so from Mr. and Mrs. Asiedu my nina. Please wish my love Ekuya Titi at Amasaman more luck in her exams and good things in her life. Hey, from his husband, from Pork. If you Charles from Point, you now all the money girlfriends are no. Food you do you. And I saw both for UK. Was actually Lumba new in the UK or down near the ends and you. I just say Afei. Afei. Okay, young last one from Charles Kojofusu. Daddy Lumba. Here we are. There were 3 special love songs. And no, I'm born now, don't know. But sadly, me baby boy. Artist name no fini channel. You're not expecting say mebo and love songs from him. But I tell you, he got some real good vibes when it comes to love songs. So right after the very last one from Daddy Lumba, we'll jump into that one. Yes, y'all. Okay, so the final one from Charles Kodefusu. Medono. Yes. Woo. 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 Me don't. You know, don't me, woo. Minyambo, Minyambo.
What's the other drobina? Tell me for Ruby, my media. Minyambo,
Minyambo.
Some of me not it is a tough me.
The new one.
Chimami na it is a good job is a one. On a mess go, don't you? What your mother knows you're dead.
That's it.
Down on the church from me. What I need to trip you to my game. How many dream more every day?
That's it.
Cause you hope you are. It's your son concern me, I'm a matter. I'm making me photo. No matter than chance, on chance to be. On my past and chance, on chance to be. So send me mama, don't know. On send me be. So send me mama, don't know. On send me be. My past and chance. Because you're the drobina, tell me so TV, my metia,
Moses, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Last book of Moses,
and Crawford person me be phone lines about me. Okay, many Charles Credifus where we 3 in a row, we're done. Now, the next artist no Nenyom Miensano, first one in here. He calls this one Rainbow. Oh, right, man.
Quick action. Yes, I. What does see me in the rainbow?
Say what? Say what?
It's Suri to have me in the raincoat. We are ripping me in the canopy. It's in your diao bejamobi. You're the man of me, you're in my man of me, you said you're the man of me, you're in my man of me, yes, I. Send you some inside. Say yes, you could was any I will bomb me car. Miss out to be so where you're baking crying. May you want the no wasting time. No. Me no attitude. Who never full night, they no substitute. Me best see me dying when I come and mama think them. I mean, you're here, mama show me the way. No. Miss Leon Swash and son. I took you what you went in the beja. Now, when you chick, when you shot you, when you baby, own that. My head book for you, and girl, you know that. Anything was so far, I pull my mommy so that. You know, don't know, be a cabbage, shaman, and for say, you didn't need it. Belly, I go swell after a few days. And you want to tell mama the due date. Babylon go try, but it's too late. Yeah. Rainbow. It's so red to have in the raincoat. Or Harry Palm in the canopy. It's in your yard, make your hobby. You're the fan of me, you're in my fan of me, yeah. We said you're the fan of me, yeah. You're in my fan of me, yeah. Yes, me wanna rearrange the alphabets so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, baby, I go die.
This is a Dome FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Listen, much that smile, seriously. Open it once a minute, no chilly. Hey, me baby, me brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me drop totally, yeah. Each and every day, yeah. My own, that time of the chase, and then no money they go. My own, see my heart back, push it on, and they grind for my king. My own, like the air and the feeling for everywhere I go. My own, see the money, baby, come chop on for me. Oh. And then me say, what's up in me? Yeah. What's up in me? Yeah. Up the my lonely brand, I bet chat to me. Yeah. Chat to me, girl. Yeah. Wait time make I carry you. Champagne and I was the Malibu. Hey. And the dinner I eat it just for two. Me dog now would all mean to be my own. That time of the chase and then no money they go. My own. See my heart back push it on and they grind for my king. My own. Like the air and the feeling for everywhere I go. My own. See the money baby come chop on for me. Sunday sisi kete. Okambro footy I know you're rissy. Nisi mujira smile seriously. Open it once a minute, no chilly. Hey, me baby ni brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me drop totally, yeah. Each and every day, me na be the, yeah. My own, that time on the chase, and then no money there. My own, see my heart back, push it on, and they blind for my cake. My own, like the air and the feeling for everywhere I go. My own, see the money, baby, come chop on for me. Hey. High grade, boy. P on the mix.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Charlie, can't go wrong with Samini, you know.
High grade,
Serious one day.
boy.
Yeah. It's a full nice me be almost sense any view. I don't go do you. I don't go pee now. Yeah. So I got last one from Samini. And Samini knows very well that I love the next song that I'm about to drop. Beautiful song. But it is not common. You hardly hear this song on the radio. Yes. That's the last love song I'm going to play from Samini. Yeah. Now, me me abo musicians now. Papa me was catch up say to you money now. Obia send a message or say please tell Brad Jerry he didn't play Kojentry. That KD. I'm matching the day. Some be say me bomb na di say me bomb but be she ndu om so. Say do om so na time no so.
High grade.
Okay, so let me do my final one from Samini. Yeah. Now, if you enter us on the artists, I hold on. I can't on there and so beba. But before I do my final one from Samini, Masamini Nkasaka Kranza.
Jerry Justice on an abominable now I'm mixing no with tactics. Keep it locked, Panadum for more magic. Sister Samini tell you keep doing the listening.
Yeah, man. So you go. But you see, let me tell you something brief about the next song. Nafi men dropping. I mean, this is somebody who is seriously in love with the partner. You know what I'm saying? But due to the nature of his job, he's always running around, and I say, on shed then your time on mat ni sweetheart or not. What I say, and no tongue crammer ni sweetheart and say, and yes, say your boy payo on share that. Nemuno, a Jumani tino, so waha near dear, Basis yande, and chi piano, obehunenim, so what I say, and untino, on pepanimun is you. Yo, Samini, tell that one go.
Jerry Justice on an abominable now I'm mixing no with tactics. Keep it locked, Panadum for more magic. Sister Samini tell you keep doing the listening. Boy.
All right, so if you know this song, please let's sing along, yeah?
The girl them without apology.
Yeah.
We love the girl them without apology. So it go.
When the rain falls, let all your worries wash away into the ocean. And when the sun shines,
Let them teach us, let me see that smile on your face.
Let me see that smile on
your face.
Hey,
woman, I wanna make you mine.
can't you see a sign?
Don't be blind, I wanna keep it 55. The reason why I
Can't be around is the fact that I'm moving all around with my sound. Oh, baby, don't you worry. I'm sorry when you need me and I just can't be found. Sorry,
honey, just hold on strong.
it will be too long. Your Rasta man will be back in town.
Silly woman make you cry. Baby self-coach, I could make you die. I'm coming back home to my baby.
I know it's been a long, long while.
Baby girl, let me see that smile.
Again, and again.
When the rain falls, let all your worries wash away into
The ocean.
This is time. Jim FM 6.3.
And when the sun shines, let them tears dry, let me see
That smile on your face.
Let me see that smile on
your face.
Yeah.
woman, I know you got to be realistic. And above everything,
You're not materialistic. I don't wanna lose you through my mistake. Be the one to suffer the pain that we share.
I show your body to the soul, the
What's
west
something?
Baby, things are never gonna
Be the same. I flex on MTV and BBC. I've been almost everywhere the beaches be. This is me. Memories will never go so free.
So baby girl, would you wait for me?
Oh please,
I'm coming to let you have a good
taste of me.
Girl, prepare to
Wind that place for me.
Baby, put a
Smile on your face for me. Hey,
When the rain falls, let all your worries wash away into the
oh,
ocean.
deep down in.
Ocean.
Here you
And
go.
when the sun shines, let them tears dry, let me see that smile on your face.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
I'm coming home. I'm coming to my baby girl. She's so cold. I'm coming home.
Baby, are you sure you're coming home?
Coming to my darling girl. She's so cold. Yeah. I don't wanna lose her. Lover is the only reason I have to choose her.
When I'm on the lot, I miss the way she play around and twist and turn my locks.
When the rain falls,
When it falls,
let all your worries wash away into
hey,
the
oh,
ocean.
deep down in.
Ocean.
Oh, baby girl.
And when the sun shines, let them tears dry,
Let me see that smile on your face.
See that smile on
your face.
Oh, yeah.
When the rain falls,
When it
let all your worries wash away into the ocean.
wash, let it wash.
Ocean. And when the sun shines, let them tears dry, let me
See that smile on
see that smile on
your face.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
baby girl.
Uh-huh.
Coming back home.
Of course.
Yes, no.
Hey.
Represented from the beat of cool.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Yeah, right.
BATSAMINI.
Boy. Thank you, Samini. All right, so let's now do something from he's been in the game for some time, no? But I mean, from one of the young guys doing it really big, you know what I mean? This guy is super. Yeah, man. Now, offer a new way. I mean, you can call from Boko. Offer a new way. Messan agile. I mean, where you know I say obin in a door for na there's always issues. Na I say mo jai no nipa na corner video who say though we have problems but actually only on enko ye. Inti se be anko no amene no issues no na ka me pena so make it come back. So bank one there I go accept them again. Then me then go do come back. Yeah, Aquaboa on this one. Messanajo.
So somebody, listen at you. I don't care number of times you've broken my heart, baby. I can never give
FM
you
106.3, feeling it
I love you so.
Adum FM, all the hits and more.
But yeah, what you didn't feel, no one man walk I won't deny the truth and believe in the lies. So somewhere cheap and quiet, massage you. So somewhere cheap and quiet, massage you. I could have jumped into the ocean just for you. Yeah. I could take a shower in your sweat if I should. Nasu wa mama from my basa. What did you go? Now your body come here. It rather draw me darling. What is you go? Never miss me. So somebody, person at you. I won't care number of times you will break my heart, baby. I can never give you up. I love you so, I love you so, so much more. So somebody, but yeah, what you do for your woman will cry by. I won't deny the truth and believe in your lies. So somewhere cheap and quiet, yeah. Beside you. Cheap and smart, yeah. Beside you. So cheap and quiet, yeah. Beside you. So cheap and smart, yeah. Beside you. Why don't you come back to me? Why don't you?
Okay, and check the second one from Akwabwa. And let me wish you a happy birthday, Richie Hannover, Germany, from Nana Kwame. Wishing you a happy birthday and God's blessings today. I do love you. I didn't also sign with Chiba Message. Akwabwa, second song. I do love you.
You can't believe this. Can't believe I can't take control of myself, baby. Makoma bo me bang bang bang. Me friend and I said me now my own corner me go soon, baby. Eka, Mr. Playboy dear. Keep sending me who about makoma bo me bang bang bang. But this feeling is so different. What reason will I give my heart if I should let you go, baby? Cause I wanna know you. And it's really the person me do the
Adum FM, all the hits and more.
Yeah, woman, good, not the same. I will love you, girl. I wanna marry you. Girl, I can live without you. 'Cause you're the one, the only one, girl.
I wanna be with you forever.
Forever, forever, forever. I wonder if your father was a thief, 'cause I'm
Odohonyum na rura.
the sky and blue them.
Prophet Kumchacha. I'm a baby rest studio by force.
I'm saying things just to
Ra so dia
every bit of what I say comes from within my heart. So just tell me why. What you read? Can me who if your friend him Manuel Popo. On Sakama Kuma Shesenia.
Sofo. Wait a minute, so pass it through keke. Just a minute. Yeah, kase can be before don one. Then pan a bit me aka for don. I mean love, LOVE.
LOVE, love. Yes. You can love somebody and from your heart.
Yes.
It's not your head.
Just say, if you are
Yes, love is from your heart.
Love is from the heart.
Odo ewo akumem. It is a prophet kumchacha me do jelly justice ya. Me nyobone. Me twitwa wo 19.
Yes.
Me ni di ho atoro. Me fa asem nto so.
Sure.
So odo bi a me fe say odo na say o ma bone nto. So I say ba obi tan won so a wotan wa say obewu ntam. Ba no tan wa say obeko prison. So love and hate is
what?
Love and hate is not combined.
It's not combined.
Yeah. So I say.
They are on their.
Yeah. Thank you. So if you love somebody, you can't do that person bad
at all.
Yeah, because
Mr. Azu Philopa. Mr. Azu Philopa. I was saying control so child.
Oh, whatever.
What am I going to do?
Okay.
I say I'm from Refi, but I'm not Refi. Inti say coffee.
Yeah, be coffee.
You be coffee. You be coffee.
You be coffee. But we a guy. We a guy.
Also a guy.
We a guy. And you date you say.
Ubi say any days are any. I don't him there. Onam no him there. And Monday. And 23rd. Open time I become Mr. Azu. Mr. Azu. AZU.
Oh boy. ASWY.
Azu.
Jolly.
You call me pon me arrangement no my friend.
No problem.
You call.
Mami chia me kuro match ma figure for.
Apedwa.
APEDWA. Apedwa.
Me can say wo hoda.
Sir.
Baby ekwan baby atutu no.
Enye promo for the say. Enye promo for the say. Eti kum chacha me chia me kuro match ma figure for. Jolly.
Yo, so for that say. So let's do the last one from our Kwabwa. Now for Yenshwe the Aka the better so before we check out of here at 6 p.m.
just me, my thoughts, and my pillow again. Loneliness, such a day way one day would drive me insane. Me who send me a moody muda, now my heart is in pain. No amount of champagne will fi cover this pain. Me taking whiskey 12 shots, making wishes to my thoughts, crying and thinking and wishing I go forget the stain. I mean, forget his name. Kissing on my finger, wishing I am wearing his ring. If you know be diamond with some carrot, my character go fi accept anything, even if it be copper self. I need a man, make a show him I be proper chef. Even if it be copper self, I need a man, make a show him I be proper chef. Text.
Keeper of the gates of wisdom, please let me in. Keeper of the gates of wisdom, please let me in. Nyame dida no suso no kwani mi jen. Me come no bini micho menyo. Nyame de makumeni na be manunso. Ono kora no be mamiabre. My bro. I need someone to call my home. I need someone to call my home. And I need someone to call my home. Yeah, I need someone to call my home to hold me down. Yeah, to hold me down. I know, baby, to hold me down. Just for me to hold me down. Dear minute, dear, Obasisa and I'm Ninari and I'm and I say me darin so share or this one you know be go mechi and I'm I don't wanna wake up with a text message on the phone, yeah. I just wanna wake up with the lips to kiss and the hands to hold me close. That's why I need someone I can call my own, my own. I want someone I can call my own, my own.
And Kobe Bia.
Cherry Justice.
Bessa Bassisia.
Ayo, Radio Ghana 56.7 FM. Shawa di me di near cruise. Me last call la. Oh, I want to. Baby, now what 30 seconds. Shawa di me.
You me too much. Me kasa fi janka town. Me ntia se say me dem ya me sika beto bando. Na me dia frame busuafo. E wo network bia so. Na network no sole ya. Wa beji bando no free me nsem. Emra a ono pe. Sesen. Na me di me sika toro de. Sesen me so me timi use no kopem time a me so me pe. Abrabo e twan se twinga mi. E je so ne expire. Ah, enyo obia na se
yo.
Switch bra, Airtel Tigo, ma won sanka fuse, and unkwani calls ni data bundler, any expiry, ain't time dear, any problem cry. For Airtel Tigo fuse, Fred networks, bia, some browsing, for star 567 hash, for bundle.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Hello, Ghana for Nana McBrown, yo. Say, dear, you're from me, Mama Roma. If we say me the Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil, and a bomb home by Kanu Crow, and Tontoma Drobe Brain, a wasashe. Every year also become Nanso a Jouti area. Every so dear and Kumukra, as I jankabone wo them. Nanso Roma insecticide spray, dear. Emrun tuntum no, a kuntuntum and tefrani mwa kete sharp. Na say jankapa wo them. Na Roma mosquito coil ne dear. Emma maniji keke. Wosa empro ne kuntuntum no one time. Na ma wo dem wa ye sham. Enti se me na mabusia dem ma de chia. Ye ne kata ni tiare bia ni asem. Say dear se wo to insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Bisa Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. And tuntum master. Kayo se wo spray free 15 minutes.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Masa,
Ghana, so open correct mason pa. And you make us super. Me a super mason and kasa. Because our job no and yet better. They won't see how beautiful and high quality your work is. That be what them they use believe you. That be why me too. It be only super cement at the use. Cement mu cement. Cement papa pa. Inti me crying singing from me cause super. Because me the super cement and
Super Cement is designed to ensure that your buildings stand strong for generations. Build with Super Cement. Build your dream. Your dream. Build.
It's tasty and delicious. I am about the pizza every day and every night. I want some about the pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it. Enjoy quick, tasty pizzas served at the customer's convenience. We deliver and offer in-car services too. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
You feel me too much. Make a selfie janka town. Mentia say, me dem ya misika beto bando. Na me dia frame busuafo. E wo network bia so. Na network no sole ya. Wa beji bando no frame nsem. Emra ono pe. Sesen. Na me di misika to no de. Sesen me so me tibi use no kopem time me so me pe. Abrabo e twan se twinga mi. E dia so so ne expiry. Ah, enyo obia na se
Yo.
Expiry dey there. Eh, ya sempa. That's mo me fanka to fi aboafo. Ye ba sesia.
Switch bra Airtel Tigo. Ma wonsanka fuse. Enu kwani calls ni data bundle. Any expiry. Ain't time there. Any problem cry. For Airtel Tigo fuse. Friend networks bia. Some browsing. Or *567# for bundle.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
More great music coming up next on this your favorite station
106.3 FM with the merge
Cherry Justice.
Higher, baby.
All right, so we are back and finalize. Okay, so more animals say could you patcho I feel do so. Now I could drink in the India I know that all classic ones be on once. I'm a boy and myself I can't help it, you know what I mean? Yeah, come on. All right, so some shouts here to our daughter Alberta Rabina Gazy of Tema SOS. Wishing you a very happy birthday. We love you so much for mom and dad, but mom and dad didn't know teenager say Sahani Bekana dia kwakusia. And then shouts also going out to Edith Amwaki Mate. Shouts going out to you from Mr. Azu. Okay, so Kojenchi, the first one is Miniwa. Beautiful one. Anyway, vibes won't brutal. What? Brakodo Jananum. Chale. Oh, your banner vibes wait Timu Pana still house in here. Yeah. Boko.
Madam from Credit Council. I say, a head job to my side. You cool. You just cussing, you know, my man. Yeah. The deep pain here, the same say. That I'm not letting you see it all.
When you want, it's yours. Me
mama unsu na mema o eni je burusu se undani anuma medani anu mebu se yemetumia mebo uma ya kaunshi na se biasi uma na rewa medani nyakonto ama wareshema se chia nyabuyo odo me se senyo tibia sincere. Medium into my back, one cataya wound. Now the on Sunday, Namio, Fifi Mano, Wayne and Mammy, Eddie J. Burusu. Simio Honia, and Fan show me why. Nina Samoa. And more binti why me awaja ya kashmi why na the old dress I know I will say the chacho oh jack tongue and bra oh wow what a wow vibes pow. Okay. Now let's check out this one. Second one from Kojo Entry.
You know, say, the love way I feel for you could be true.
Yang Kontong.
Oh, baby, like you think I do. I see you smiling from across the crowded room and say,
yeah.
This is Tad Jim FM 106.3.
And that's for you to keep. When you lay you down in pleasant sleep, I know you dream of needing me. If your desires are to be true, you have to prove that feeling's new. Baby, it's not easy to be with me and make your heart beat so really.
Oh, this so yes, sir. Fancy na yenye last one from Kojenchi anyway Mbon Kakre bin Fansers or he calls this one Makuma Doctor. Yeah baby.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Abusuane na medusi achi PY. Pacho me ko why. Me no be di odo kakra ma wie. From Jerry Justice. As like I say come up our bills na face so African na bedi de. Pacho asem ne ba ko pe uhie onua na wa chia no na wa sere a kire no esanse wiase mu nipa ensehwe. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great evening. We are of here.
Medo, me pese me toti.